What an amazing passive income. This new system that I'm in, where the pros are trading for me. It's forex trading. They're doing the trading for me. I'm making a passive income, as well as I'm recruiting people and earning an income from that as well. You know, if you don't want to do recruiting, that's fine. Look at that for the end of my second week. I've been in this for 2 weeks. Got $711, which is paid to me into my Bitcoin wallet, so I'm earning Bitcoin all the time. I've already made 2 withdrawals. I've got another $207 here waiting to be withdrawn. This is an amazing system. If you're not in this, you're crazy. You really are. So my last week's trading, which is my end of my second week, we're just going into the third week, is 602% ROI for the second week, which is brilliant. You know, so the week before got 5.56% ROI. So it's absolutely amazing. I love it. What a great passive income this is. These are the ROIs that have been paid out since January. Now, obviously, I haven't been in since January. I've only been in 2 weeks in October. But look at that, you know, 9 months there, and what a lovely set of ROIs they are. That's an average of 32.6% ROI per month. If you're interested in a passive income, then how do you get involved? Well, all you've got to do is leave me a comment below this video and I'll send you details straight away. Or if you're watching this video on my blog, then make sure you click the button below to get started. A great passive income, truly a 100% passive income that's certainly worth taking a look at. You have an amazing week, and I'll see you in another video. Bye now.